In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate video here in Canva. So I have this video just here. Now there's a couple of different ways that we can rotate this. The first way is clicking onto the video that we want to rotate once we've put it into the Canva design. Then, if we look just here, if we click on here, it's going to turn purple. That means if we click and hold, we can then rotate this video however we want it. And if we look just here, it's going to show you the degree of rotation as well. So that's how we can actually rotate the video, but we can also flip this as well. Now, I don't think it's going to make much difference on this because of the design of this video, but what we want to do is click onto the video, and then we can come up to the toolbar just here where it says flip. Then we can flip horizontal, and we can also flip vertical. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to rotate a video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.